This is Jonathan Rushing with Elevate Roofing and Exteriors, your roofing expert. So, did you realize that roofs are a lot like cars? They have to be maintained. You know, if you drive your car and you never change the oil, do we understand that that car may run well for a while, but you will decrease the lifespan of your car because you will kill the engine with improper maintenance. That's why they tell you to get your oil changed every 3,000 to 5,000 miles and change your filters so that you are constantly making sure that the maintenance on your car is extending the lifespan of its use. The same is true for your roof. Every roof has to have maintenance. You need to check your boots, you need to check your flashings, you need to check for exposed nail heads, you need to see what recent storms that may have done to the roof to cause any kind of leak penetrations, so that you can extend the life of that roof, and that way you can get more value for this incredible expense of the roof that you paid for. So call us, because we're experts at assessing and looking at your roof and extending that lifespan so that over the course of the years you're in your home, you actually spend less money by spending small amounts of money in maintaining it over the years to come. See our next videos as I talk about the things that we look for in our maintenance inspections for the signs of a failing roof.